Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how you can register for online banking account on Comerica Bank. If you want to access your financial transactions, account histories, payments, fund transfers from anywhere and anytime online, then registering for online banking account could be the best decision. The process to register for online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. In order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop, then on the search bar, search for Comerica.com. And once you land onto an interface like this, go and tap onto the personal banking option present here. And you'll be taken to another page, so go to choose a topic and from it choose online banking. Then you'll be taken to another page, so scroll down to the bottom and tap onto Enroll Now option. Then you'll be taken to the registration page for Comerica Online Banking account. Here you will have to fill up your account information, so let's get started by entering your date of birth. Then type in your primary account number in the text field here. You can select your account type, then you can select your customer type. And once you are done entering these details, go and tap on to continue setup. By tapping on it, you will land onto the authentication page. On this page, you will have to authenticate and verify your identity. Once done, go and tap on to continue setup. Now you will land onto terms and condition page of Comerica Online Banking account. So here you'll have to accept the terms and conditions set by the Comerica Online Banking. Once done, go and tap into continue setup. Then now you will land onto another page where you have to create a login credentials for your account. So create a unique username for yourself, then enter a very strong password for your account. Once done, go and tap on continue setup, then follow the prompts and you will have successfully registered for online banking account on Comerica Bank. This will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.